masala, but in English, natural yogurt. Guys, it's been long, I know, pardon me. Welcome back to my channel. My beautiful name is Beryl, and this is my channel, Beryl Afro TV. It's been a while, I know, but I thought of something. I was doing something and I was like, why not share with my family, my gang. Now today I'm preparing a special recipe that most of the families can use it on Christmas Day. So stay tuned if you want to know what we are preparing, something that you can do for your family or you can do together with your family. Like Christmas time is bonding time, and I'm here to tell you that next week, not next week, but during that Christmas period, I will have videos back to back for my family members, because Christmas time is family time. So I'll be home and I'll update you all. So this will be a short video because it's a recipe video that's not complicated. So if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so by supporting this baby girl. Subscribe, share my videos to family and friends this Christmas period. Watch my videos and support me. Stay tuned. These are our ingredients: wheat flour from Ajab, maziwa mala, in English natural yogurt, eggs. I'll be using 3 eggs because we all eat eggs, lemon zest already done, margarine, this is margarine, and baking flour and the dish. Okay, stay tuned. I'm using my ancestral measurements: pinch of salt and sugar. I've forgotten sugar. Sugar is always an ingredient, so I'll add sugar because we like it sweet. Add enough sugar, then I'll mix. My hands are already clean. Okay, I go in with the lemon zest. Sorry. Yeah. Go in the lemon zest. Then margarine. Yeah. Mix. Okay, add in the eggs. Remove this one. Okay, and then continue mixing. natural, you see, in Swahili maziwa lala, but in English natural yogurt. Okay. Sorry for the mess. It's too sticky, so I'll add a little bit of flour. Just a bit. It's okay. You need, okay, till it's like this. You see, this one is ready. So I'll leave it, but I'm going to cover, yeah, with the foil clean paper for some hours. Then we'll start cooking. This is 1 hour after the process. This is it. Okay. This is our very soft. Cooking oil, the oil is ready, so we dip it. Being careful with the oil. You can cut to your preferred shapes. Just trying to turn. Yeah, Christmas is here. Everyone is stubborn. Ta-da! Guys, the final product is here. The mandazis are here, and the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Hi! Guys, see how soft it is. See how soft it is. Ah. And it even tastes better. Please try out this recipe during this festive season. Enjoy with your family. Till next time, kindly remember to subscribe if you haven't. Watch my videos, share my videos. Bye.